In this lesson, you will learn about fractions as part of a whole. So you can see here that we have some whole shapes. We have a whole square, a circle, which is a whole circle. This is a rectangle, it's one whole rectangle, a triangle, and this is a different rectangle, okay? It's a different size, but it's still a rectangle. These are wholes, and we can split them into parts or into fractions. This, for instance, is just one whole, okay? We can just call it one. Or we can even call it, one piece out of one piece as a fraction, 1 out of 1. Here, this one whole circle is actually 4 pieces, if I split that up. We have one whole circle. We can also call that 4 out of 4. So the whole circle together is four equal pieces out of 4, okay? I can also take out just one of these pieces. There are 4 pieces here that are exactly the same, but if I take out 1 out of 4, that is this piece right here. 1 out of 4. So there's 1 here out of 1, 2, 3, 4 total. I can take 2 pieces. If I take 2 pieces, I now have 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole is 4. The whole is always on the bottom. Okay, so 2 out of 4. I can even go like this. 3 out of 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 4, right here. 3 out of the 1, 2, 3, 4. 3/4. And if I put it all together again, I have the 4/4. Okay? So here's our rectangle. Our rectangle is split up into 2 parts. So the whole thing is 2 out of 2. That's the whole. Okay? I can take 1 piece out. 1 out of 2, or 1/2. So this is 1/2 of the whole. Okay? Here I have a triangle. One whole triangle, and this triangle is split up into 4 pieces. So the whole triangle is 4 pieces out of 4 pieces. And again, I can do parts. I can take out 1 out of the 4 pieces. I can take out 2 out of the 4 pieces, and that's actually 1/2. It's half of, because if I put these together, I see 2 of the same shapes. I can write that as 1/2 as well. Or I could take out 3 of the pieces, and there are 4 altogether, so I have 3/4. Or if I put it all back together up here, I have the 4/4. One more quick example. This rectangle is split into 3 pieces, so the whole thing is 3 out of 3. I can take 1 out of the 3 pieces and have 1/3. Or I can take 2 out of the 3 pieces and have 2/3. Or put it back together and have the whole. And that's the end of our lesson on fractions as part of a whole.